Oh gosh. Hello, this is Lee Bear, and welcome to my Minecraft video. And today we're gonna build a hot air balloon. Last time we didn't build it because too much googlies. Dang googlies. And today there's gonna be no googlies. Now there's gonna be hot air balloons everywhere, and no people are coming to me. And again, damn it, I don't care. Today we're gonna build a hot air balloon. I can't see. And put our hot air balloon there. I think we're gonna start with one of these. No, and we continue.